I lost the choke return spring on a Briggs Stratton vertical engine auto choke. The spring I ordered is number 690,354. Starts fine, but when warmed up will not start until it cools down. Model number 126T020125B1.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Briggs & Stratton engine? How old is it?
Don't know how old it is, but engine is tuned, clean, starts first pull when cold. Good compression, clean carburetor and clean fuel. Clean oil and new air filter.
How long has this been going on with your Briggs & Stratton engine? What have you tried so far?
The unit came to me not running and had been stored for years. While cleaning, I lost the choke return spring. Ordered new as stated. With the new spring, starts first pull and chokes out. The choke spring is so stiff it won't give it air to run, and I have tried lighter springs from my stash and it starts and runs great until I shut it off and try to restart. Then it has to cool down to restart.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I would like to confirm the choke return spring part hash. The new spring is a lot stiffer than the original.
You may also want to verify the choke air vane is moving freely, and there's an adjustment on the thermostat. It sticks up from behind the muffler. It should locate between the marks on the end of the air vane. If the thermostat is working properly, it should hold choke vane partly open when hot. The spring is part number 790,849, that is all based on your model and type you listed above, so you should have an air vane that works the choke. If you do, then you got the wrong part number for the choke spring.
That the air vane spring, I cannot see where that goes on my diagram. It doesn't show, it just shows the choke return spring. The choke air vane is moving freely. When hot, the air vane holds the choke wide open.
Okay, so air vane holds choke wide open when hot, then it should be working correctly. So your issue is more one of lean fuel mixture or weak compression, or air leak after the carburetor throttle. I am basing everything on your engine model and type numbers as provided, but the problem is if the blower housing with those numbers is not original to the engine. The air vane spring is supposed to be the choke return spring. The part number you listed above does not apply to any 126T02 models at all. Air vane spring hooks to a molded hook in the air vane close to the choke lever area, and other end hooks on the shroud tin directly across from it.
You are saying that the 790,849 is my choke return spring. So when hot, if I manually close the choke, it fires right up?
Yes, based on Briggs parts catalog for that model and type, that is the correct spring part number. I'm editing a picture to show it hooked up. See attached image. Sorry it doesn't show clearly how it hooks on the air vane, but it should be fairly obvious as it is a molded hook for the purpose.
That's the one. I'll order it and try. Thanks.
Sure thing.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.